6:45
Another way to say
is a quarter to 6.
yeah.
A quarter to 6.
Quarter to 6 or quarter to 7?
To 6.
6:45. It means 15 minutes to
7.
yes, so 15 to
15 to 7.
yes, correct, huh? Next one.
Is
7.
7 is B, 2 o'clock.
Yes, be 2 o'clock. Number 8.
A is G.
G.
10:05.
5 past 10. Is it correct, G? 5 past 10. Past. Is it G?
No, it isn't.
Which one?
Is H.
It's H, huh? H, yes, correct. Okay.
Yeah.
So this one, can you say the time? Number 1.
Number 1 is 6:30.
6:30, correct. 6:30. And how about number 2?
Number 2, 12 o'clock.
How about number 3?
Quarter to 8.
A quarter to 8, correct. Okay, so now let's listen and write the correct time on each clock. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just a minute waiting for me.
Class starts at 8. I've only got 10 minutes.
Sorry, I need to start at first.
Unit 4. Time. Page 14. 2. Let's listen. Listen and write the correct time on each clock. 1.
Excuse me, what's the time?
It's 10:15.
Thanks.
2. Do you have the time?
Let me see. Yeah, it's 10 after 2.
2:10? Thanks. 3.
What time is it now?
Hey, it's exactly 12 o'clock. Midnight.
Happy New Year! 4. Can you tell me the time, please?
Yeah, it's 11:30.
Wow, I'm late. Thanks.
5. Do you know what time it is?
Yeah, it's 3:45.
Thanks a lot.
6. I'm late again. What time is it now?
It's 7:50.
Class starts at 8. I've only got 10 minutes.
Okay, would you like to listen once more time or you have the answer?
I have the answer now.
Okay, so can you just maybe take me a picture for fast?
Yeah. Yes, do you see the picture?
Okay, let's listen once more time to check this one.
Unit 4. Let's listen. Listen and write the correct time on each clock. 1.
Excuse me, what's the time?
It's
Also, can you just focus for me that if you want to ask someone about a time, what will you say, okay? Like if you would like to ask someone time, what would you say in many cases? Okay.
10:15.
Thanks.
2. Do you have the time?
Let me see. Yeah, it's 10 after 2.
2:10? Thanks.
Cindy, number 2. 10 after 2. What does it mean? 10 after 2?
10, 10 after 2 is 10, 10 and 2 minutes.
2, 10 after 2. So you have to remember that 2 first, right? And 10 after 2, right? 10 after 2, so it means 2 first, then 10. It means 2 before 10. So here,
3.
oh, sorry,
2:10? Thanks.
210, 210, thanks. So it means number 2 is 2:10, not 10:10, right? Not 10:10.
Yeah.
Number 3.
3.
What time is it now?
Hey, it's exactly 12 o'clock. Midnight.
Okay. Number 4.
4. Can you tell me the time, please?
Yeah, it's 11:30.
Wow, I'm late. Thanks.
Number 4.
7:30.
Can you tell me the time, please?
Yeah, it's 11:30.
Wow.
11:30. Silly. 11:30.
4. Can you tell me the time,
Yeah.
please?
Yeah, it's 11:30.
11, 11:30. Okay.
Wow, I'm late. Thanks.
5. Do you know what time it is?
Yeah, it's 3:45.
A quarter to 4. So it means what time is it, Cindy? A quarter to 4?
4:45.
No, this is a quarter to 5.
Quarter to 4. 3:45.
Yes, 3:45, right? Yes. And how about number 6, the last one?
Thanks a lot. 6. I'm late again. What time is it now?
It's 7:50.
Class starts at 8. I've only got 10 minutes.
Okay, 7:50. So can you tell me what are the questions that you can use to ask about time?
Excuse me, what time is it?
Excuse me, what time is it? What else more?
Can you tell me what's time?
Yes, can you tell me what's the time now? Correct. What else more?
No more.
Or you can say, for example, you can ask them, do you have a watch? Do you have a watch? So it means that people know that you would like to ask about the time, right? Okay, so next one. This one is a little bit difficult that you have to listen. Listen the radio announcement, okay? Listen to the radio announcements and you listen for me and you will do task number 1 and task 2. You can do that together or you can do that separately. It's up to you, but I think you need to read a little bit first.
Yeah.
When you are finished, just tell me.
1.
I don't hear anything.
Not yet. When you are ready, I will just start. Are you ready?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
listening to Star Radio at 90.9 on your FM dial, the station with the best classic rock in town. The time is 7:15. Time for more classic.
2.
This is WBYZ 105.1 FM, and the time is coming up to 10:05. And we've got more music for you, so stay tuned.
3.
You are listening to X98.5 on your FM dial, the jazz station. The time now is just a minute away from 2 o'clock. 4.
This is your AM station talk radio, WXYZ. Time now is 11:02. Don't touch that dial.
5.
This is the BBC. The time is 6:15.
6.
You are tuned to WQXR, your classical music station. And the time is exactly 1:40. Time for the night.
7.
This is 1010 News Radio, the station with all the news all the time. Time now is 9:30.
8.
This is your station for easy listening, KABC. The time right now is going on 5:05.
Okay. Would you like to listen once more time?
1.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
You are listening to Star Radio at 90.9 on your FM dial, the station with the best classic rock in town. The time is 7:15. Time for more classic.
2.
This is WBYZ 105.1 FM, and the time is coming up to 10:05. And we've got more music for you, so stay tuned.
3.
You are listening to X98.5 on your FM dial, the jazz station. The time now is just a minute away from 2 o'clock. 4.
This is your AM station talk radio, WXYZ. Time now is 11:02. Don't touch that dial.
5.
This is the BBC. The time is 6:15.
6.
You are tuned to WQXR, your classical music station. And the time is exactly 1:40. Time for the night.
7.
This is 1010 News Radio, the station with all the news all the time. Time now is 9:30.
8.
This is your station for easy listening, KABC. The time right now is going on 5:05.
1.
Good day.
You are listening to Star Radio at 90.9 on your FM dial, the station with the best class.
Sorry. Are you finished?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Okay. Can you just send me your answers? Then.
Mhm.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's go and check this one.
Yes.
You are listening to Star Radio at 90.9 on your FM dial, the station with the best classic rock in town. The time is 7:15. FM dial, the station with the best classic rock in town.
Okay, so have you ever listened to the radio?
No, I haven't.
Mm-mm. But as you know that the radio is also the same as the TV, right? They have some channel. They have different channel. For example, you know like they have this channel maybe is music, maybe another channel is news, right? Maybe another channel is classical music, maybe another one is pop music, for example. So this
Radio
one.
at 90.9 on your FM dial, the station with the best class. You are listening. You are listening to Star Radio at 90.9 on your FM dial.
90.9, right? 90.9, yes. This one 1B is correct, yes.
The station with the best classic rock in town.
The station with the best what?
The best rock in town.
Rock and town, yes.
The time is 7:15.
The time is 7 what? Cindy, what did you hear?
7:50.
7:50 or 15?
Your FM dial, the station with the best classic rock in town. The time is 7:15.
7:50.
15.
Best classic rock in town. The time is 7:15.
7:15, huh? 7:15, so 1B, right? 7:15. So remember that how to spell that. Even though that is really, it's really not so difficult to say. But when you say you say 15, right? 15, and this is like 1 5, huh? And when you say 50, you say 50. So it means the first syllable. Do you understand? Like 50, it means you put at the first syllable, but 15, it means the second one. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
So it means 15, right? And 50. Okay, so how about number 2?
Time for more classic.
2.
This is WBYZ 105.1 FM, and the time is coming up to 10:05.
10:05, huh? So
And we've
2B.
got more music for you, so stay tuned.
Okay.
2.
This is WBYZ 105.1 FM.
1051 FM. Yes. And what is this state for? What is this radio for? Just listen.
And the time is coming up to 10:05. And we've got more music for you.
Music, right? Music radio,
Yeah.
music channel.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. What does it mean? If you listen, stay tuned. Stay tuned.
See you soon.
No, stay tuned means like keep that, like still keep the channel. Don't change to another channel. Like sometimes you heard that Trấn Thành or something like a famous MC in Vietnam, like he can say like, okay, now stay tuned. It means like don't change to different channel. Still, like keep it. Yes.
3.
You are listening to X98.5 on your FM dial, the jazz station. The time now is just a minute away from 2 o'clock.
What did you hear?
It's a minute away from 2 o'clock.
What does it mean? A minute away from 2 o'clock. What does it mean?
Is a minute left is 2 o'clock.
Yes, it means 1 minute until 2 o'clock, right? So 3, what did you choose for me? 3A, yes, correct. Mm-hmm.
4.
And
It's just a minute away from 2 o'clock. Now is 2.5.
3,
You are listening to X98.5.
X, X or X?
You are listening to X98.5.
X 98.5, right? X, huh? X 98.5, so we mean 3B.
On your FM dial. The jazz station.
What did you hear? What is this station? The
Jazz station.
jazz station, it means like some light music, right? Like jazz music, okay?
The time now is just a minute away from 2 o'clock. Four.
4.
This is your AM station talk radio WXYZ.
Mm-hmm. WXYZ.
Time now is 11:02. Don't
What did you hear? What's the time?
Time now is 11:02.
11L, huh? Like 11:02, but he said 11:02, so it means 11:02, yes?
touch that dial.
5,
5.
This is the BBC.
This is the BBC, and listen.
Time is 6:15.
Yes. So BBC, what is it? Cindy, BBC. What is this station about?
Is a news.
Is it about news, correct?
6,
You are tuned to WQXR, your classical music station. And the time is exactly 1:40. Time for the ninth.
WQXR, correct? Yes. Number 7.
7,
This is 1010 News Radio, the station with all the news all the time.
What is the station about?
Is all the news.
All the news all the time, huh? The station is about all the news all the time, yes?
Time now is 9:30.
So,
Is exactly 1:40. Time for the ninth.
7,
This is 1010 News Radio, the
1010
station with all the news all the time. Time now is 9:30.
8.
8,
This is your station for easy listening, KABC. The time right now is going on 5:05.
What is the station about, Cindy?
Easy listening.
Easy listening. Yes, okay, so it's correct, right? So only 2 mistakes, I think so. There are only 2. Yes, so this is just training us about listening about time. That's something that we can listen about time. And next week we are going, sorry, not next week, but on Friday we are going to listen this one, the rest of it. And I will just give you some homework, but maybe just some light homework, and on Friday we can fix homework and do that, okay? I see that you already make for me the story about Pip. You also, your homework is that you can tell me the story about Pip by what you remember by Pip. And because you already wrote it, so I would like that you can tell it by recording. Just a minute, I'm going to write your homework here. About Pip, record a story about Pip, yes. Okay, that's it to me, because Today we just have this exercise that record a story about Pip. That's it. So what we have learned today?
Today we have learned about time.
Today we have learned about time. What else more?
Fix my mistake on the story Pip.
On the story Pip, and about what else more?
And learn new words that last week we write.
Yes. And what else more? One more.
And do the listening.
Do the listening. Yes. Do the listening about time already. But today also that we learned about present tense, right? We learn about present tense. Okay. So you have to remember for me that I am, he is, she
is,
they
are,
we
are,
it
is,
right? Yes, so this is to be, and you have to remember that with the verb forms we need to change. For example, I say I go to school, but how about he
goes to school.
Yes, correct. And how about with time? The last one, the last one before we finish for today. Fib. I will say one way. You say another way. Okay. So just some more example. 3:15.
3:15 is a quarter to 3.
Quarter past 3. Past. Remember quarter past 3. How about 2:45?
Is a quarter to 3.
A quarter to 3, correct. How about 10:30?
10:30. Half past 10.
Correct. How about 11:45?
11:45 is a quarter to 12.
A quarter to 12, correct. How about 12:30?
12:30 is half past 12.
Half past 12. Okay, so that's it for today. And okay, so how do you feel about today? That can you just rate for me the
yes
reactions? So let me see. Okay, so yes, that's it. I feel that also today that all in all that we review about present tense. We learn something, another way to talk about time, right? Yes, and we also review, and also I did tell you to fix some mistakes that when we write. That's really important. Okay, so thank you so much for coming to the class today, and see you next time on Friday. Okay? Yes, okay. Bye. Have a good night.
Yes. Goodbye, teacher. Yes, thank you.
Yes, have a good night.
Yes, bye.